Hello everyone, this is lesson number 28, HSK 4, and let's continue. Quickly repeat our words. 流血, 流血 to bleed, 咳嗽, 咳嗽 to cough, 减肥, 减肥 to lose weight, 抽烟, 抽烟 to smoke, 植物, 植物 plant, 烦恼, 烦恼 vexed or was a more troublesome word. 目的 aim purpose. 擦 to rub to mop. 气候 climate. 估计 to estimate or estimation. 这个严重 serious. 窗户 window. 空气 air. 动作 movement. 帅 handsome. 出现 to appear to arise. 后悔 to regret. 来不及 there is no enough time to something. 反对 to oppose, to be against something. 大夫 doctor. 研究 to study, to research. 超过 to exceed, to surpass something. 散步 to go for a walk. 惹 to refer to something, to point at something. 精神这个精神 spirit. 教授 professor. And 数字 figure, number. So the first one for today is 说明 to explain, or explanation. 这个说 to speak, 明 clearly, you can say bright, or so to speak in a clear way, or to explain something. And the teacher explains the homework requirements in detail. The homework requirements in detail. 说明 to explain, and 要求 requirement. 要求老师详细说明了作用要求。So teacher 老师说明了 explained, but how? 详细 in detail. So we can say he detailed, explained, or in details. You can say carefully or further full. I think here is more like adverb because it's before verb, right? 详细说明了 carefully explained. Details on explain, specify something. 详细说明了作业要求 homework requirements. 作业要求 So the teacher explains the homework requirements in detail. 老师详细说明了作业要求。The explanation manual for this product is very clear. Manual. Instruction. 清楚 clear. 清楚。这个产品的说明不是，这个产品的说明书很清楚。这个let's see. This is 说明书。This you can say instruction or manual. Prospectus, specification, instruction, description, brochure. So 这个书 like a book when you can whereas very detailed explanation, everything. So explanation manual. 说明书 but which one? 产品的 so it belong to product. So the explanation for this product or this product's explanation, 这个产品的说明很清楚 very clear. 很清楚 very clear. So 这个产品的说明书很清楚。Next one is 要是 suppose in case of something, or if something happens. Let's say if it rains, we won't walk a walk, or we won't go for a walk. Remember 散步 to go for a walk. 散步 So 要是下雨，我们就不去散步。要是 in case of 下雨这个to rain, right? Or if it's rain, right? So if it rains, right? 要是下雨，我们就不去散步。So 这个就very often goes with 要是。So if something, 就 something. So if it rains, we won't go for a walk. 要是下雨，我们就不去散步。Don't go for a walk. 不去散步。Because 散步 is a walk. I think it's not so correct. To go for a walk is 去散步。Let's see next one. In case you don't have enough time, I can help. 要是你来不及，我可以帮忙。So in case of 要是你来不及 don't have time or not it's no time or you so not don't have enough time. So 要是你来不及，我可以 I can 我可以帮忙 I can help. So in case you don't have enough time, I can help. 要是你来不及，我可以帮忙。Next one is 既有，既 something 有 something. So both and. Let's say he is both smart and diligent. 聪明 smart 勤奋 diligent 勤奋。So 他既聪明又勤奋。So he and smart and diligent. Both smart and diligent. 他既聪明又勤奋。这个既 has a lot of different translation. Not only already since both is so. You say he's not only smart but also diligent. He's both smart. 他既聪明又勤奋。This piece of clothing is both cheap and good looking. 这件衣服既便宜又好看。So this piece of clothes, 这件衣服 this clothes, 这件衣服既便宜 and both, not only you can say cheap, 既便宜 also 好看 also good looking 好看。这件衣服既便宜又好看。Next one is 辛苦 to work hard or labors. So it's difficult, hard, painstaking, toil, thank, trouble. Why thank? Because you can say 辛苦了 like thanks for your hard work. 辛苦了 you work very hard and thanks for that. To work hard, you can say. He works hard and comes home late every day. 他工作很辛苦。So here is adjective. He working very hard. 他工作很辛苦。Works hard. 每天很晚回家。So every day. 每天很晚 very late. 很晚回家 come back home. So he works hard and comes home late every day. 他工作很辛苦，每天很晚回家。This job is laborious but rewarding. 这份工作很辛苦，但有回报。To return a gift, reward. Return, reward, payoff. 饱，这个饱是指饱。This job is laborious but rewarding. 这份工作，这个份 major word for some place of working like position. 这份工作很辛苦 very laborious, very hard done, but 有回报 has a rewarding, but rewarding have paying off. So you can say worth it, right? 回报。This job is laborious but rewarding. Laborious. 这份工作很辛苦，但有回报。对。Next one is 肚子。abdomen or belly, just belly is okay. 肚子。Stomach, belly, tummy inside, warm, hunger. So because on the left part it's a yue, representing flesh or meat. On the left part is tu, just soil, but it's just for pronunciation. Du, tu, duzi. The du and zi for creating noun sometimes. My belly is hungry. I want to eat something. 我肚子饿了。这个饿 to become hungry. You can say 我很饿哦，肚子饿了，想吃点东西。And I want to eat. 想吃，吃一点 to eat a bit. 东西 with a zero tone. 东西 something. So my belly is hungry and I want to eat something. 我肚子饿了，想吃一点东西。I want to eat something. He caught a cold and his abdomen or his belly feels uncomfortable too. 这个感冒 cold. So 他感冒了 to get a cold. So he's caught a cold. 他感冒了，肚子也不舒服。肚子 stomach or abdomen 也 also 不舒服 not comfortable. So he caught a cold and his abdomen feels uncomfortable too. 他感冒了，肚子也不舒服。abdomen. 他感冒了，肚子也不舒服。Next one is 感情 feeling emotional affection. 这个感 to feel 情 of just feelings, mostly emotional sensation. Or you can say 很感情 very emotional. Or you can say 我的感情 my feeling relationship. Let's say the affection between them is very deep. Here's affection or feeling emotion, but feeling is better. 他们之间的感情很深。他们之间这个之间 between them between 之间，他们的应该是他们的之间的感情 feelings 感情很深 very deep 很深。The affection between them is very deep. You can say even love between them. So it's the feelings between them are deep. Also, 他们之间的感情很深 deep, right? 深。She is full of emotion for her work. 她对工作充满感情。So you can say full of emotion or very enthusiastic, emotionally charged. 他对工作 he for work 对 for work 充满这个 full 充 to charge or full 这个充 to fill 充满 full of 感情 full of emotion. So she's full of emotion for her work. 她对工作充满感情。So you feel passion with emotion, passion with your work. Next one is 掉 to drop or to fall. As you can see, it's on the left, it's character hand. So somehow connected with hand. Off, kill, lose, drop. Let's see. My phone dropped to the ground. 我的手机掉到地上了。我的手机 my phone 掉 dropped down to something 地这个 ground 上 on the ground to the ground 掉到地上了 and 了 because it's 掉了 to work together. Also 掉到 is could be the same word fall into fall on. My phone dropped to the ground. 我的手机掉到地上了。掉到地上了。So it's 掉到 also could be as the same word. Let's see. In autumn, the leaves fall down. 秋天树叶会掉下来。这个秋天 in the autumn. 秋天 autumn. 树 it's a tree, 叶 it's a leaves. So 树叶 the leaves. 会 here you can say will or usually or just can or you can not translate it. 掉 to fall 下来，这个下来 to fall down 掉下来 fall off come down fell out. So this 下来 like off you can say or down. In autumn the leaves fall down. 秋天树叶会掉下来。这个不是下来 with zero tone 下来。Next one is 江西，这个 just 江西 province 江I think it's a river. And sea it's west, so river on the west 江西 or west out. So the scenery in Jiangxi is beautiful and worth visiting. 风景 scenery or landscape view beautiful scene also could be. 江西的风景很美，值得一游。So the view or the landscape of 江西的风景很美 very beautiful 很美 very beautiful. 值得 is worth to. 值得 or deserved worthwhile. 一游这个游 to travel 一游 to travel once or visiting an excursion trip to 一游 one you can say 游泳 you can say or 一游 to travel once. The scenery in Jiangxi is beautiful and worth visiting. 江西的风景很美，值得一游啊。He comes from Nanchang, 江西。Nanchang I think is a city. Nan it's a south. Chang just from pronunciation. 他来自江西南昌。So 这个来 to come 自 from 来自 to come from 他来自江西南昌。As you can see in English, we say first city and next province. 南昌江西。Next one, 丽江 also the city. Li, it's beautiful. 江 it's just a river. 丽江，魅力的丽。丽江 is a very beautiful tourist city. 丽江是一个很美的旅游城市。丽江is very beautiful 是一个很美的旅游 touristic 旅游城市 city 城市。So 丽江 is a very beautiful tourist city. 丽江是一个很美的旅游城市。And last one, I plan to go to 丽江 for a vacation. 我计划去丽江度假。这个new word 度假 vacation holiday vacation beach break 这个家这个家also vacation 这个度 degrees spend to spend the vacation take a vacation. So I plan to go to 丽江 for a vacation. 我计划 I plan to go to 丽江度假 for a vacation. Holiday to vacation 这个 verb right verb. 我计划去丽江度假。Let's repeat what we learned today. First one is 说明 to explain or explanation. 说明要是 suppose or in case of something. 要是 or if something. 既什么什么又什么什么 so both something and something. 既有 both smart and diligent. 那个既聪明又勤奋。既有 Next one 辛苦 to work hard or hard laborious 辛苦了。Very often you can hear 辛苦了。Thanks for your hard working 辛苦了。我很辛苦 also can say 肚子不舒服。那个 belly is not comfortable. Or I have a problem with my stomach. You can say 肚子。感情 feeling emotion affection 感情 or very emotion you say 很感情。掉 to drop to fall 掉我的手机掉 my phone fall dropped. 江西这个 just 江西 province and 丽江 also just for province some city 丽江 is this chapter I think we use. Next we have one new idiom. Last time we learned this one. 鸡犬升天 So to rise to prominence with someone successful, not your success. 鸡犬升天 Today is this one. To seize every opportunity. 见缝插针 what does it mean? 见 to see or find. 缝 seam or gap symbolizing opportunity. 插 to insert. 针 needle representing small action. This idiom means making use of every spare moment, like inserting a needle into any gap, emphasizing diligence. 见缝插针 Let me check. 对 To use every good moment, every opportunity. To use everything that allowed to use. 见缝插针 So she is very busy, but always sees every opportunity to learn new things. 她很忙碌 She's very busy 忙碌 but always sees every opportunity. 但总 but always 但总能 try to you can say or want to. 见缝插针 sees every opportunity. 对，学习新东西 to learn new things. 学习新东西 to learn new things. And how does 这个的 describe how does she learn? She learn with 见缝插针 So sees every opportunity to learn new things. But you can say learn every opportunity. I think it's not so good here, but you said the translate this to adverb to seize every opportunity with a seizing every opportunity. You can say 他很忙碌，忙碌，当总能见缝插针，见缝插针的学习新东西 ，learn new thing。这个缝 to fix gap。见缝插针，对。And we have one 见缝插针 ，and we have one tongue twister for today. Last time we learned 噔噔叮噔，不是噔噔叮叮，噔噔叮叮。The lamp climbs to the top. Ding. Today is this one. Chickens crowd the market. 鸡骑骑士，鸡 chicken， 骑 to crowd， 骑 market。我给的是这个 market。鸡骑骑士，鸡骑骑士。骑士 is interesting. Bazaar, marketplace, street market, fairground. 鸡骑骑士，鸡骑骑士，鸡骑骑士。So that's all, and see you next one.